Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple of things, but before I do that, how you call it? As you can see over here, I'm having problems with my eggplant. I'm gonna plant it right back over there. I'm gonna put some water with vinegar and see if that will help it out. Cause I think they caught that little white little thing that looks like roaches. I don't know what they call that. They live underground and they eat the roots. You know, if it's roots like thin roots, they're gone. So that's why I put my aloe vera over here because their roots are thick roots. They're not, little wimpy roots. So, but before I do that, I want to show you this. These are you remember, the bad thyme basil. I have one over here, as you can see right there. I have two here, and I'm going to show you something. Voila! All you got to do is cut it, put it in water. They never leave their leaves. Their leaf stays there. I cut them a little bit, when it's real long, because I wanted to dedicate to pull roots instead of leaves. So this one is ready to go. I don't know if the other one, let me check the other ones, because there's like three over here. This one is starting to get it right there, and oh wait, right there, as you see, but it still doesn't have a lot of roots. So I like to put it with a lot of roots. This one, it doesn't have, but it's ready to get, because you see the tip, it's you see the tip is kind of brownish. That means that the roots are about to come out. These are gonna get planted, but for now I'm just gonna plant the biggie one. I'll probably plant it right here. Later on, if I don't want it there, I could always take it out. It's like a rock in here. Okay, I got it out. I could always take it out and replant them apart. It won't hurt the roots if it breaks a little bit. So I'll put it here. Wait, let me get it right there. Stay there. Okay, this I'm gonna have to do with my hand, cause I call it. There it goes. Now I push this one on the side. Push this. The dirt is soft, that's why it keeps moving side to side, but it'll get stabilized as time goes by. So there. And I saved the plants. I made how many? I have two here, 5, 6 cuttings. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, this is one. No, I thought I planted another one. This one, I don't know what it is, but I think I'm gonna take it out. I thought it was a pepper, but it doesn't look like a pepper. This looks like one of those plants, those flowers right there. Now you can see. Now I can see them better. Look at that. It's all full of flowers, and the idea is to bring the bees. Yet I haven't seen no bees. I saw one the other day. It came in, it passed by me. I stood still, don't provoke him. And then he left. He ate a little bit and then he left. There must be more flowers somewhere else. Better flowers. Better tasting flowers. I don't know. But they look beautiful anyway. I already cut the bottom part, so it doesn't go all the way down here. Now I'm going to take this plant. Where is it? Okay, that right there. My eggplant this one is a black eggplant. That one is from seeds, but it's having problems. So I'm going to plant it right there next to the flowers. I made a hole, and I didn't see none of those little white roaches hanging around. When you mess around with the dirt, you could see that they're there, but there was nothing there. So I'm going to put it back there. I gave it a treatment of water with vinegar, so I guess that actually killed it, or they're on the other side of the place. I don't know, but anyway, I'm still going to put some water with water and a little bit of vinegar. The vinegar will kill off these white little things in the in the pot. So, you know, they get vitamins and stuff other ways. So, plus they got compost. So, I'm going to do that now. But for now, I just wanted to show you this. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, here goes the plant. I have it tied up and so she could have enough strength. Because her, how you call it, her roots are like very little things, you know. They're not thick roots, you know, they will bind good. So it has a lot of roots. You know, I thought they had that, how you call it, the little things. No, they don't. It doesn't have it. I think it is that it needs more sun than what it was getting over there. Plus, I put the, how you call it, the bush beans, and I think it was covering her sunlight. So over here, it's gonna get enough sunlight. I cut all these. I'm gonna cut this one too, this side. And so, because the sun comes this way, and it goes across and it touches the corianders. So as you can see, excuse the mess, I got 3 plants out there. I'm not gonna throw them out. I don't like throwing out plants for some reason. And I got this little baby one. They're all gonna go in water and see if I could propagate it and replant it. Okay, we'll see you in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. It's not planted yet, that's why it's lopsided, but I'm taking it out of the way. I took everything out. I still got a mop here, as you can see, sweeping mop. And I'm gonna push the bush bean, I'm gonna push it toward that side, but first I wanna clean it, because this one didn't have a plastic bag under it. How you call it? It didn't have a plastic bag. So, but this one does. So I'm gonna clean that out and push it back over there because it's interfering with the entrance, you know. So I'm gonna push it back, and they're both gonna have nice sunlight whenever there is sun. But if it doesn't, then it has a LED light that also helps out. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time.